Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha Max. See, this is our 21th lesson, Trigonometric Identities from Selena book. Question number 12, exercise, third exercise ma, 21C. This is question number 12. Without using trigonometrical tables, evaluate this answer. Okay, so this is not proving, we have to evaluate the answer. So before that, shall we recall the identities? Okay, see, first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Okay, so this is three main identities. And how to change the sign into cos? So this is 90, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Same way, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, similarly, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and same way cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Okay, so without knowing these identities, definitely the sum is not easy. Okay, so have to memorize. Trigonometry means it is a formula, full of formula. Okay, so from the sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so till every end of the trigonometric lesson, you have to memorize the formula. Okay, students, if you keep in your mind, this sum is not that much difficult. It's a very simple sum. Okay, see, first cosecant square theta can be changed into secant square theta. Okay, so this is 57, so you can write 90 minus theta. Same way cos theta can be changed into sin theta. Okay, so you can cancel here. This is cos 45 degree. What is the value for cos 45? 1 by root 2. Okay, so tan square 60, that is root 3. Okay, so if you know the values and identities and the formula well, you can do the sum simply. So let's go to the sum. This is first cosecant square theta. Okay, so first I want to say how this cosecant square 57 will change. See, just to understanding, I am writing cosecant square is 57. Okay, so the square is also here. See, cosecant square. So the 57 can be written as, yes, 90 minus 33. It is given. Okay, so cosecant square you have right. 57 can be changed into 90 minus 33. So this cosecant square theta, what is that formula? That can be written as secant, the place of theta, it is 33. So cosecant square 57 can be replaced by secant square 33. Okay, so this is very important. Similarly, cos 44. Cos 44 degree can be, right? See, cos 44, this is 90 minus 46. Okay, so cos 90 minus theta, in the place of theta it is 46 degree, so you can write sin 46. So in the place of cos 44 we can write sin 46. So do you understand, man? Okay, yes, now go to the sum. Okay, so see, this sum is how much it is easy. So first cosecant square 57 and minus tan square 33 plus cos 44 cosecant 46. Okay, minus root 2 cos 45 minus tan square 60. So we can replace for cos square 57 into See, what can you write? Secant square 33. Okay, minus, this is right as it is, tan square 33 plus cos 44 can be right sin 44, and this is cosec 46 minus root 2. The value you can write cos 45, that is 1 by root 2, minus this is tan square 60, so that is root 3 square. Okay, so secant square 33 1 minus tan square. So what is our identity? See, in this identity, 1 keep the 1 here, tan square will go that side. So secant square minus tan square can be right 1. So secant square minus tan square you can write 1. Okay, plus, see, this is sin 44. This is a reciprocal of sin cosec. So this can be right 1 by sin 46. Sorry students, here I have to write 46. Okay, sorry, yes, sin 46. Okay, so this is 46, sin 46, cosecant 46 can be right 1 by sin 46. Okay, so minus root 2 cancel, this is 1, this is whole square is there, so can I write 1 minus 3. So here sin cancel, so 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, so this is 2 minus 4, so we get minus 2. So minus 2 is our answer. Okay, so do you understand? Yes, shall I say again? Yes students, so first cosecant square 57 can be changed into secant square 33. So the changing the identity means this theta, that is important with using these formulas. If you know the formula well, it is very easy. Okay, so cosecant square 57 can be right secant square 33. See, similarly cos 47 changed into sin 46. So in the place of here can change it. Okay, then we can give 1. Okay, so that is only we have changed. This question they given like, okay, so then definitely 57 33 if you add you get 90. See, 44 46 you get 90. So 57 in the place of 57 we can write 90 minus 33. So that is secant square. Okay, and when you substitute the value, this question is a very simple question. Okay, I hope you all understand. Okay students, please if you have a doubt, comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.